Create a Levels Adjustments layer. Make image darker. Create a Solid Color Adjustments layer. I will choose this green color. Press Ctrl I to invert the layer mask. Choose Brush. And paint over the eyes. Open Blending Options. Adjust Blend if slider that the dark points be disappeared. Create an Exposure Adjustments layer. Apply this settings. Invert the layer mask. And follow the process. Create another solid color. Change blending mode to linear dodge. Invert the layer mask. Choose soft round brush. Decrease flow. And start adding glow. Create another solid color adjustment layer. Choose same color and click OK. Change blend mode to color dodge. Open blending options. Apply the following settings. Invert the layer mask. And follow the process. Make a merged copy from all layers. Convert it to Smart Object. Open Camera Raw Filter. And apply this settings on your image.